Leadership Awardee, Conduct Awardee. Name of Parent, Miss Gina Talundas.
Body, rock your body, hypnotic, go pop, 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 go pop, 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 go pop, 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 go pop, 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 pop.
Good morning to each and everyone. Sir, Dr. Peterson A. Pascua, Principal Board of Castilleros National High School. I have the honor to present to you candidates for competition. Year 2023-2024, composed of 296 male and 334 female, with a total of 630. I request Dr. Peterson A. Pascua to certify the completion of the requirements of these candidates.
R. Name of Parent, Mrs. Corazon Salinas.
Ashley.
Barrow James Patrick G. with high honors. Conduct Awardee. Name of Parent, Mr. Randy Barrow. Bronzal Gianna Cassandra V. Name of Parent, Miss Ruby Ann Viloria. Juan James Carl R. Name of Parent, Miss Lolita Reyes. Kalaykay Fabian P. Name of Parent, Mrs. Fe Kalaykay. Kalikdan Shireen P. Name of Parent, Mrs. Lani Kalikdan. Casamayor Kyle Ashley P. with high honors. Leadership Awardee, Conduct Awardee. Name of Parent, Miss Gina Talundas. Corpus Joanna Marcia Clay. David Giancarlo R. with honors. Parent, Mr. Cedro David. Daniel Ashley Joyce S. with honors. Conduct Awardee. Parent, Mr. and Mrs. Larry De Leon. Anton Maranata Janine with honors. Conduct Awardee. Parent, Mr. Angelito Tita. Garcia Herrera V. Parent, Mr. Jameson Garcia. Guerrero Jonathan Jr. U. Conduct Awardee. Parent, Mrs. Rebecca Umbino. Idhaw Shaina D. Reyes Eliza K. Parent, Mrs. Lisa P. Reyes Angel May G. With honors. Conduct awardee. Parent, Mr. and Mrs. Arthur Reyes. Rivera Rachel C. Parent, Mrs. Israelita Rivera. Romulo James Matthew L. Parent, Mrs. Maria Flor Romulo. Shara Jen Rose K. P. With honors. Conduct awardee. Parent, Mr. and Mrs. Generosa B. Shara. With honors. Conduct awardee. Parent, Ms. Irene Soriano. Tribor Rita J. L. With honors. Conduct awardee. Parent, Mrs. Mary J. Tribor. Vidal Kimberly J. G. Parent, Mrs. Rosel Vidal. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big hand to our awardees and completers of Brayton Fluoride, as well as their advisor, Maria L. Pablo. Let's now move on to grade 10 garment completers with the assistance of their dedicated advisors, Norby R. Gonzalez. To start with, Agustin Lloyd Rivendell A. With honors. Conduct awardee. Name of parent, Angelita Agustin. Anita Juliana Marie G. With honors. Conduct awardee. Leadership awardee. Name of parent, Miss Nieva Anito. Apuyan H.L. Rev A. Conduct awardee. Name of parent, Jemaline Apuyan. Arenas Janelle C. Conduct awardee. Name of parent, Miss Luisa Arenas. Artates Earl Justin F. Name of parent, Artates Pearly Fontillas. Asuncion Sean May E. With honors. Conduct awardee. Name of parent, Miss Diana Ebuen. Avila Sheena May S. With honors. Conduct awardee. Name of parent, Miss Christina Avila. Azuela Marimar R. Conduct awardee. Name of parent, Miss Alicia Azuela. Del Monte Maria Juliana L. With honors. Conduct awardee. Name of parent, Miss Lilibet Del Monte. Buenaflor Marco Franco P. Name of parent, Miss Merly Buenaflor. Carino Desiljoy F. Name of parent, Miss Cecilia Carino. Carmen Angelo Jr. R. Name of parent, Miss Estinelli Carmen. Castiliano Giancarlo M. Name of parent, Miss Fredlyn Castiliano. Castro Ronald Alan.
April.